Hello, welcome to the new episode, and it's regarding YAML error part 4. It's about incorrect data types. Data types you already know: string, integer, boolean, etc. So, providing the wrong data type in your YAML file, for example, using string where Kubernetes expects integer, or writing integer where Kubernetes expect strings, vice versa. YAML syntax allow both quotes and encodes value, but resources expect specific types like port expect integer values. So mismatch cause validation errors. So this is most of the time not happens, but we have to be sure that we don't come across these errors via pod.yaml. I'll have a pod definition file. I will not tell where the mistake is. Just apply the file. You find a long line. So start from last. So you'll find in 32, and here you will find the path container ports, specific container ports. Okay. So you know the problem is with the container ports. So I will directly go to the container port. This is a small file, so you will easily find the port, but if it's very big file, then just type port and then port, then enter port / port. You'll find port, and then you will just know container ports, or you can directly / container ports. So I'll edit it to 80. I'll apply again. You'll find pod is created, pod is running also. So well and good. So thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in next episode, YAML error with some other type of error. Thank you so much for your love and support once again.